Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on search on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here or your profile, and you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you click here on general, then you come to general window, you just click here on manage discover, then you come to next window here, and you come here to search. You will click here on this mark, and like you see, you click here on agree and enable, and like you see now this color show for us, that means search it's turned on now. Like you say, when this color show for us it's on or no. I wish know you I get it. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.